Bounton presents Zofner, the world's best eco-friendly smart water softener. Water is one of the fundamental sources for life on Earth. Environmental pollution and overpopulation have been creating severe water crisis. Increase in the percentage of calcium and magnesium in water proportionately increases the water hardness. Introducing Bounton Softener, India's first smart water softener with German technology using no electricity. In softener water, no salts, no chemicals. Using softener at industries, homes and restaurants helps in improving the water quality by altering the lime scale of hard water. Using soft water prevents hair fall and dry skin, supports hair growth and helps to have a smooth and healthy hair. Soft water has a direct impact on the strength of the mortar and cement concrete in the construction work. Curing the building with soft water increases the lifespan of building and prevents cracks. Protects all your appliances like washing machines, boilers, dishwashers, water purifiers, electric geyser and increases their lifespan. It removes the existing mineral buildup in pipes. Also prevents future scale-up in shower heads, sinks and taps. Softener enhances the soil structure and nutrient levels and root system, thus increasing the quality and production of fruits and veggies. It reduces the rust in the pipelines and increases the water flow in dripper system. In poultries, the weight and growth of chicks and hens is fairly enhanced. Existing E. coli bacteria in the chickens also gets reduced. Softener also helpful in fisheries and cattle. Soft water improves the efficiency of boilers. Scales are not built up in future. Efficiency can be improved by increasing the cycle of concentrations. The water passes through the converter in which water structure converted into nanoparticles. These nanoparticles passes through rare earth metals using metal alloy treatment and pass through powerful neodymium magnet in which metal ions and minerals get attracted and converted into the soft water. Softener is installed before the utility and after the overhead tanks, whereas the bag filter is installed before the tank so that frequent cleaning of the tank can be avoided. Lifespan of softener is 18 to 20 years and company's warranty is 5 years. Bounton Softener is a single solution for all your hard water problems.